Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is how to save multiple checkbox value to database using PHP and MySQL. So let me explain what I'm going to do. So I have created this view. Suppose if I have selected car only, then only car row details should be stored in database. If checkbox is checked, then only that row should be inserted into database. So let me show you database. I have created multiple checkbox database and inside that created one product table. And inside product I have product ID, name, price and quantity. So now let me show you view. So I have given title multiple checkbox. After that included bootstrap, and after that created table with 4 columns. First one is checkbox, second name, third one is price, and last is quantity. Now let's create a form. Give checkbox a name, that is product ID with array, product quantity with array as well. Product quantity is third one. Second is product price. Copy in all other checkboxes and price and quantity, same name. After that, in form, define method post. Action is going to be checkbox db.php and create same file with the same name. And in checkbox db.file, check if is set post button is check or not, that is submit button is check or not. If it's checked, then in foreach post product ID in like key pair value and print that product ID. Now let's check in browser, select car, bike and submit. So to on is printed, echo br, and again select. Now there are two on. Now let me get product price also and print that in browser. Select car, accessories and enterprise on all three and submit. Now it should print 10 and 30, but it's actually printing 10 and 20. So price is taking first two and checkbox is not giving us off one, only giving us on one, that is selected one. And in checkbox also we cannot differentiate is car is selected or bike. So let's go and give value to checkbox, that is first one is value car, second one is going to be value bike, third one is going to be value accessories. And if I'll again check in browser, select car accessories with 10, 20 and 30 price, submit. Now you can see it's giving us car and accessories with 10 and 20. So for price to take selected one, I'm going to do one thing. I'm taking a hidden field for product name. So write input type hidden, name is going to be product name, value is going to be car, product name is also in array. Copy that, paste that also for bike. Again copy and paste that for accessories. So now let's go and in foreach. Now before foreach, let me print product ID, and in foreach I'm going to take product name. So save and let's go to browser, refresh, car accessories 10, 20, 30, submit. You can see checkbox array is printing, but it's giving us an error. Okay, I forgot to change product ID. Again refresh. Now it's giving us three values and three prices. Comment price. After that, take checkbox product ID in an array and check if condition. If product name is present in checkbox array, then print name. After that, save and let's refresh again. So it's giving us one error. So I forgot to remove bracket. Save again and refresh. Now you can see it's giving us car and accessories. So that's what we have selected. So let me also check for price and again refresh. Now you can see it's giving us 10 and 30 now. So that's what we wanted. Now last one is remaining, that is storing in database. So now let's do this part also. In SQL tab, get the insert query, remove extra element and copy this query and paste in insert query variable. Now remove all these echo and take product name into a variable. After that, take product price in a variable, and last one is also product quantity in a variable. So now after that, pass all the respective variables to insert query. Okay, so now before executing, I have not connected to database. So create a file, database.php file, and inside that write a con variable MySQL connect with server name localhost, username root, password blank, and DB name is going to be multiple checkbox. So copy that and paste here. Now if check MySQL connect error number, then echo fail to connect and MySQL connect error. So now include this file in checkboxdb.php. After that, execute query, that is MySQL query with con variable and pass insert query variable as well. So now at the last, write header location is going to be index.php. Now let's go to browser, refresh, and in DB click on browse. Now choose car accessories 10, quantity let's say 11, bike is 20, 21, 30, 31. Submit. There is internal server. Let's check in browser. So it's inserted. There you can see only car and accessories, no bike data is inserted. So let me just check what exactly there is error, why it's giving us internal error. So now write bike 189.21, submit. It's giving us error. So okay, in location it's there is no gap, right? I have given space. So again refresh. Now you can see there is inserted 4 and it's gone to index file. So in this video I have shown you how you can save multiple checkbox value to database using PHP and MySQL. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.